readings 75 to 80 decibels in the apartment. And they said there'd be no loud noise after 10 p.m. This wouldn't be happening. Apartment there, on the street here, 100 decibels. As you can hear, the beepers are still alive and well. As in the email, it said that was not going to be happening. They've been replaced with the white noise sensor. Still getting readings of 70, 75 at midnight on Sunday. Time now is approximately 1:20 a.m. Sunday night, Monday morning. Again, very clearly, decibel ratings, again, flexing between 70 and 80, steady. It's not my idea of quiet work being done before 10.